Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you my live trades what I did, and I'll be doing you my live market analysis, and also I'll be showing you my live trades, and also I'll be telling you guys how you can make consistent profit like us. So to get all this information, make sure you watch this video till the end. So guys, yes, the pre-open market is now closed and the time is around 9:13 now. So as you can see, Nifty is opening at 11,302.25, that is 0.46% up today, and the advanced stocks are 45 and the decline stocks are only 5, and only unchanged is 0. Okay, so there is no stock which is unchanged. So again, today the market might be in an upper trend, and ICICI Bank is like 1.77% up, and Techem is like 1.21% up. So these are the two stocks which are opening on the upper side on the pre-open market. And now coming to the downtrend stock, that is Titan and Shrichem. So Titan is like 3% down in the pre-open itself, as you can see, and Shrichem is like 2.13% down. So we'll see how the market will perform today, and I'll be showing you my live trades whatever I take. So we'll see on what I will trade today, and I'll update you guys. So guys, right now we are planning to trade on ITC. Okay, so I'll update you guys once I enter with the trade, with the entry level and all the things. So we are trading in ITC today. And before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, and also if you're new to the stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money consistently in trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money constantly, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. And also if you're new to the stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. And also if you're having losses, I'll be helping you to recover your losses. You can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making constant profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let me show you the live trade what I did. So guys, right now we are in a buy side of ITC. So we'll see how far the stock will perform. So we are in a buy side of ITC right now, so hoping the stock will go up, and the market is also in 0.83%. So in opening it was like 0.55%, and now the market is gradually increasing. So we'll see how the ITC will perform. So we are in a buy side in ITC right now. So guys, 204 has been touched. Okay, so it was a very good moment. So as I said, the moment was about to come in ITC, and yes, we got that moment what we wanted. So almost 204.05 to 04.10. Yes, it's breaking its own high now. As you can see, even in the market depth, the buyers has come. So it was almost like 15 lakhs of buyers, and almost it was like 29 to 30 lakhs of sellers. But suddenly, the buyers has come now. So it has given a good push, and it was in a continuous uptrend. And as you can see, Nifty 50 is now down. So it was 0.80% up, now it's like 0.65%. So it is fluctuating a bit, but it's fine. So anyway. So guys, as you can see, as of now the I made is 206.3. Okay, so I just exited around 205.50. So let me show you my order book. So yes, this trade took a bit of a long time, but it was worth the wait. So let me just show you what happened. So around 9:26 I just bought it around 202.25, and I just waited for it. Okay, so I booked more than like 1%. So this happens when the market is going good, and once I know the stock is going to good perform well, so only then I will wait. Okay, so I bought it at 202.25, and I sold it at 205.55. Okay, so it went almost 206.10, as you guys know. So I just exited around 10:20 a.m. Okay, so this was the profit what I was able to achieve today in today's trade of ITC, and this was the call what was given to my clients also. And also these are the client screenshot of profit what they have sent to me. So 3,360 rupees profit, and also client has given a very good feedback. You can see here 2,025 rupees profit, 1,280 rupees profit, and 5,440 rupees profit, and 33,525 rupees profit. So these are the profit what you were able to book today in today's trade of ITC. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, and also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to make consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.